Dear friends, today I give a short talk on non-fictional genres, biography, autobiography, journal, memoir, travelogue, and diary. Biography is a account of the life of a person written by the other than the self, other than the subject. Biography writing is based on letters, interviews, records about the life of a man. Even the biographer could interview the person and have first hand knowledge about his personality. Biography is a narrative. It is a complete work from birth to the death. It starts from the first chapter, it starts with the birth and parentage, and the last chapter, death and memorial. It covers the whole life of a person. It's written in order, chronologically, based on authentic records. Unlike biography, autobiography is written by the subject himself. The autobiographer collects his own records, for example, writes letters, registers, other records. Based on their records, he writes his biography beginning with his birth, parentage, and education, up to the point of his writing, we can say stage of success, where it ends. In that sense, autobiography is incomplete and it does not include any details about the death and the memorial. Because no autobiographer knows when he is going to die and how. So that is the limitation of autobiography. But there is no room for imagination or fancy in writing the autobiography. It is authentic record. Authenticity must be a highest degree. Then the time, you should stick to the chronology, mentioning the dates and years accurately. Then sincerity is also required, of maximum extent. And there is other thing called a confession, that is also there. So autobiography is written by the subject himself. Memoir, unlike that autobiography, is a sort of autobiography based on the memories. The memoir writer need not have a authentic mention of years and dates and timings. It is a series of memories, as memories come back to the mind of the memoir writer. He starts from the beginning of his life, the moment of his first, the event that he remembers first in his life, childhood or early childhood, and it takes it to the stage of his success. Like autobiography, this is also incomplete, but it is written based on memories, and he mentions important dates, important events, and describes the personalities that he met in his life. So memoir is some sort of a self-satisfying kind of a book. Diary is a very old kind of a genre which was very important during the British Raj. Diaries were kept by the collectors and superintendent of police. There are the authentic records of their duties. The whole day, the police officer, what he does, he used to mention it in the diary from the morning to the evening till night. Every day, mentioning the day, month and the year. So all events are mentioned in the diary. It is authentic record. The importance of diary is the dates and years and timings. So are the collectors of the district collectors. So the diaries are also famous, and in jurisprudence diaries have some importance. And there are famous diaries in the history of mankind. So travelogue is a descriptive account of one's travel from the one place to the other place. And there the description gains the high hand. So the travelogue writer describes each and every place, person, and in a poetic manner. So that works as a tourist guide. And journal is something like a memoir. That also is an account of one's activities in life, and that is also maintained by some people. For example, Dr. Johnson's journal of the traveling to Hebrides. So there he mentions his journey. It's a sort of travelogue also, you can say. He describes his journey to the Hebrides and how he spent his time. So he also has written about his travelogues to Scotland and other places. So travelogue and diary equally important. So these are the 5 most important genres of the non-fictional prose.